What's going on, YouTube? Man, what time is it? It's like in the afternoon, like dinner time right now for me. I made this video because somebody hit me up on Instagram. He was a subscriber. He's a subscriber. He is a very loyal subscriber, by the way, too. He asked me, basically, here, let me read it to you guys. Where's my phone? Let me talk to you guys in a sense of, the channel and, how everything's going with me. I know you guys haven't seen me in a while. Some of you guys have been asking me, like, why aren't you live streaming and stuff? I'm actually streaming on Twitch. Twitch.tv/Natepushweights if you guys want to go follow me and come hang out, because we switched it up a little bit. We're not streaming on YouTube anymore. We're just doing videos on YouTube. But let me show you guys, man. This kid basically hit me up on Instagram and basically asked me if I could make a video. Well, not really make a video, kind of like talk to him about how he's overweight. He's a 14-year-old. He has been working out daily to try to lose weight and gain muscle, but it hasn't been working out for him, basically. And I'm basically going to be talking about this just a little bit, explaining to you guys what you guys need to do, actually, because for those of you guys that didn't know, I like to lift the weights a lot. I like to work out. My name is Natepushweights, and you guys haven't really seen that side of me yet, which is kind of sad, but I feel like I need to address this, and I need to bring fitness to this channel as well. And I think I'm going to do that with my vlogs, so you guys can kind of see how I live and kind of make it interesting for you guys. I know a lot of like streamers and YouTubers don't really do that. They're not really into the whole let me kind of vlog more. They just sit at the computer and they stream, they play the video game. You guys don't really know too much about them, but I feel like I'm gonna do that, so you guys can see more about my life, and the content is just gonna be great and great. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's talk about what the title is about, and yeah, let's just talk about this. As you guys can see, I'm in my room. We got the 10K plaque on the wall. For those that you guys don't know, 10K subscribers we hit a couple. When did we hit that? I don't even know. It's a timestamp. It's history. It's gonna stay there until we hit 100,000 subscribers someday. But yeah, let's get out of here. Let's get out of the room. I'm gonna show you. So I'm basically gonna sit here and I'm gonna talk to you guys. Caden was the person that DM'd me. I'm not gonna show you guys his Instagram just to keep that private. But Caden, if you're listening, and this is for everybody, all the subscribers that are watching right now, and anybody that wants to know mainly about how you should go about your day when working out. And if you're working out already and you're not seeing results, if you're you're still not where you want to be, I'm gonna give you guys some tips. What I do is, first, sometimes I don't feel motivated to go to the gym. Sometimes I don't want to work out. What you gotta do is you kind of have you have to find your motivation. I like to watch football videos while I'm working out. Let's say I want to run on the treadmill. Some people don't like running on the treadmill. What I do is I go to the gym and I'll have my phone, right? And I'll get on the treadmill. You know how Planet Fitness has the treadmill, and it's like where you can put your phone on there and you can press the buttons and you can like kind of watch stuff and run at the same time. That's kind of what I do. I'll put my phone there and I'll watch like a football highlight tape of like Saquon Barkley, and it has music in the background, right? So I'll just put my headphones on and I'll run on the treadmill, and I kind of like, it motivates me to run faster, and it motivates me to go farther and keep going. Imagine that. Imagine running on a treadmill, just not listening to anything and just kind of like looking around. That's boring, right? Like I said, find your motivation. Find something that you like to watch and do it while you run. You know what I mean? So that's just an instance for you guys, for Caden, for you also. That would be a great thing for you to try. Not football in specific. Like, that's something I like. But find something that you like and kind of like just go. You know what I mean? Just do it. Just, rather than sitting on the couch watching it at home, kind of just do it while you're at the gym, and that'll work for you. I'm 100% it'll work for you. As far as eating the right foods, you definitely want to kind of control yourself. You kind of want to control what you eat. If it's hard for you to stop eating certain foods, control yourself. And I don't know if that's your case, Caden. You let me know in my DMs or in the comment section. But if it's any other person's case, if you have problems with going to the gym and going home and just feasting, right? Eating a lot or eating a lot throughout the day and, still working out, you got to kind of like control yourself. So meaning, yes, have a breakfast, have a lunch, have a dinner. But when you do that, don't eat so much at breakfast. Don't eat so much at lunch. Yeah, you can feast at dinner, but make sure you go to the gym first. Then, when you come home for dinner, you can eat however much you want. But listen, when you go to the gym, it's not, go to the gym at 6 o'clock and get home at 7 and, let's eat. But when we went to the gym, we didn't really put in the work or sweat or like really did like a good effort for us to go home and eat so much, right? You got to be careful, This is me in general, okay? In the wintertime, in the fall time, my metabolism is just so freaking high. It's insane. Like, I can eat a lot of food. It's bad. But in the sense of me working out so much, it works out for me, you see? And they say, you got to eat and you got to work out. And that's the combination for me. I don't know why it happens to me in the winter, but like, yeah, it gets seriously bulk season. But I'm also ripping and shredding at the same time, which makes me unbelievable. If you guys seen some pictures of me on Instagram, you guys know. But as far as that goes, like I said, food, just maintain yourself. Try to get your workout in first. The workout is always the number one thing before you eat. Now, not before you eat, but like treat your workout as your meal, and then treat your food as your second meal. Is what I'm saying. If that makes any sense for you guys. And I know some of you guys are probably like criticizing, saying, I don't know what he's talking about. What do you mean by that? Just stay tuned to this channel and I'll explain everything. But Caden, yeah, everything I'm talking about, kind of take it in and really, really understand, okay? Because it's going to help you out. Now, as far as doing certain workouts, I don't know what kind of workouts you're doing, so I really can't really explain myself too much to you, but I'm going to try. Now, as far as workouts, I go to the gym every single day. I try to go to the gym every single day, like as in the weekend too, when I'm off. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'll go to the gym Monday. Tomorrow is Monday. I'll go and I'll do squats. So I'm not working right now full time, so I can work out. I can treat a gym day as in 2 gym days in one day or 3 gym days in one day, meaning I can wake up, eat my breakfast, come downstairs, do like a mini workout, like squats or something, because Monday is a squat day for me. I'll do legs day. I'll kind of do that. And then I'll do like a mini workout in the morning, and then I'll go to the gym and do some cardio, whatever. Come home, eat a little bit. Lunchtime, eat a little bit, kind of relax. And then I'll go to the gym at like 4, and then I'll do my actual workout. So I'll prepare myself and do my actual workout and kind of ease in with the squats and, just get there and, just hit the workout, hit it hard. And then by the time I'm done, I'll come home and do more eating, more dinner. Now, I know your schedules. I know a lot of kids are probably watching this. Your schedules are very different from mine. But if you treat it as going to school, right? You wake up, eat breakfast. Let's say you do like a couple push-ups, right? Before you go catch the bus or walk to school. Do that. Do like 50 push-ups before you go to school. Whatever. Boom. You go to school for 8 hours. In that 8-hour time frame, you got to realize that you could be possibly doing something, whether it's active, physical stuff, like running or, doing push-ups at recess or something. You know what I mean? Just doing something, right? Because that 8 hours is a lot of time. And then once you come home, you kind of want to just relax and play video games, right? You can't do that. You kind of have to go do your homework And then after that, let's put 1 hour or 40 minutes into working out, but do it in the sense that you have a plan. Don't do it in a sense of, okay, I'm going to go to the gym for an hour and just bullshit and BS and not do the workout and kind of like just say I was there. If you do that, you're never going to make it where you want to be. You'll never lose your weight. You'll never put in that amount of work that you need to put in because you're distracted, you're tired, you're stuck. You know what I mean? Don't be tired. Go and do it. And once you do it the first day, do it the second day, okay? And keep doing it, and it gets so easy. It's so easy once you make it up there. Once you know that you can do it, trust me, it's so easy. I have problems right now of working out. I can't say consistent, but I'm starting to get back into the consistency. But listen, and I know in the back of my head, because I know that I did it before, that I'm going to do it again, and just keep working, just keep doing it, don't stop. Trust me, it's amazing to see yourself in the mirror and like, oh my god, you're like, oh my god, I lost so much weight, I got a bigger chest, I got bigger arms, my biceps are huge, you know what I mean? Like, trust me. And I'm going to come out with videos, of workout videos, to show you guys what you guys have to do. Like, I could tell you all this stuff, but you guys probably don't know what to actually do when it comes to working out that could help you and get better and stronger and, just look better. So, yeah, I will come out with videos for you guys in the future talking about this and just explaining stuff. But, yeah, that's pretty much it so far. This is basically the introduction of me talking about, how I could help you guys with fitness and vlogs, they're going to be on the channel, and, just all around what's going on, guys. So, of course, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. We are bringing fitness to YouTube. And someday, hopefully I can help you guys out with everything, man. And YouTube is such a special place. I hope, it takes off with the channel. I could talk on and on, guys, and I really don't want to because I'm cringe sometimes. But, yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section what videos you guys want me to do in regards to fitness, what you guys need help with. Tell me in the comment section. Literally, I'm going to call you guys out. I'm going to be like, yeah, Aiden told me this. He needs help with this. And I'm gonna talk. I'm going to help you guys. All right? So help me by talking to me in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.
This is a Chucky Beat production.